Today guys, we're going to be creating some nice beautiful guitars, and I'm also going to be showing you guys this amazing AI platform you can use to create some nice vocal samples for your beats. So without wasting time guys, let's go. I'm going to be working with a tempo of 103 BPM. Today I want to be using like an acoustic guitar, so I'm still going to be using Ilya Ifemo's guitar, and I'm going to be using the NG, which stands for nylon guitar. So we're going to be using the nylon guitar. All right, so we'll have the guitar loaded up, and let's just hear what that guitar sounds like, and let's see. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. All right, so we're going to be working on the key of F sharp major. So if you look at our F sharp, this is our 1, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we're back to our 1. So when I say our 6, this is going to be our 6. So I'm just going to put in that note. This is our 6 normal. So, and this is what it sounds like. But that don't actually sound like a guitar. So what we always do is to take out this middle note. So I'm just going to remove this middle note for now. I'm just going to shift this, and I'm going to put this. So I'm going to be working with our minor 7th. I'm just going to add this note here, just playing around, just create some nice melody. So let's hear what this sounds like. Here, let's just shorten it. Yeah, so this is just our 6, what our 6 is playing. Then I think I like the melody. Then we move to our 2. So this is going to be our 2. So just putting this note here, strumming your notes, to just get that nice realistic feel. Yeah, so yeah, then go ahead, right. Just increase the velocity. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, then we move to our 3. Yeah, let's have this here. Then yeah, cut this because I don't want the notes to lay on top. Once they lay on top of each other, it doesn't sound really nice. So let's play this again. It does the same, almost like the same thing. Let's have this. So I think I just need to play with the velocity. So I'm just going to increase some notes. Yep, so I think we have something nice, and what I can do next is just send this to the mixer, and I'm just gonna add in guitar rig. So I'm just gonna go over to the preset, and let's use this NG preset, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so I think I like this so far. So let's just put this on on our playlist. So now we're going to be talking about the sponsor of this video, which is A-Studio. So with A-Studio, you can create endless vocal samples. You can actually create your own song using A-Studio. So I need a vocal for this. So basically I'm just going to take this to A-Studio and see the vibe we could actually just come up with. I have A-Studio open up, and this is what it actually looks like. There are various singers, and you can just use MIDI to create the vocal sample that you want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag in, I've exported that guitar vibe I just created. I'm just going to drag it right now into A-Studio. So we have 2 sections, which is the audio track and the singer track. So we have the guitar vibe right here in A-Studio. Let me just turn out the metronome. So it just looks like a standard DAW. You have your play, your pause, your record. And in subsequent video, I'm going to be talking more about this, breaking down on how you can actually use this. But for this video, I'm just going to use it to get a nice vocal sample we can actually use for this beat. Yeah, so we'll just create our melodies. So let's see what this is gonna sound like. So that's something like that's like what I wanna do. Yeah, so yeah, let's try this. So we have yeah, I think I'm liking the melodies coming up with. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just gonna extend these notes. Yeah, I'm liking the melody. So I think I need to shift this. Yeah, so I think I've created, a very quick melody. Why I like A Studio is that you can then type in your own notes. So now everything is just da 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 da. I could just come in, click it, and let's say I want to write a lyrics. I can just put in. Yeah, and if I hit enter now and just hit play, it has created that lyrics for us. So I'm just gonna hit on, play, and let's see what that is gonna sound like. So I can put this, let's say let us dance. Let's hit, enter, and let's put O here and just hit enter. So let's just see the the quick lyrics we've come up with. So yeah, I want to fix this. I could just add in some vibrato to this. Let's see, just add some vibrato. So I think it's a bit high, the pitch is high, so I'm gonna take it an octave lower. Yeah, I think I prefer this. So I think I want the dance to be longer, so I'm just gonna try this. No, not you, just this note, just drag the dance. So let's see. Yeah, adding some vibrato, let it vibrate more. And you can add in some breath, you can add in air, you can add in tension. So for this we now here, I can add in some energy to it. So just come over here and just extend the tension on the we. You can add in some breath if you want it, to sound really, really realistic. But for this sample now, I think this is, okay for me. I love the way this is sounding. So I'm just gonna export it, drag it into FL Studio, and let's continue working on the beat. And what I can do is just hit on export over here, and it's just gonna export. All right, so we have the vocal, we have our guitar now, and this what together, this is what it sounds like. Nice. So I could do whatever I want with this vocal sample. Yeah, but I'm just gonna add in the multi-band just to give it like a radio effect feel. Yeah, let's go with this. Send this drum to my mixer using my smack attack. I like this. Then the next thing is just adding some drums. So I just want to show you guys how you can just with having nice guitar, having A Studio to create some nice vocal samples. Even if you cannot sing now, you can just create some nice vocal samples with just your MIDI notes. Yeah, so what I can add is just adding some bass, adding a bass, and I think we have like a solid groove. Go back to sub-boom bass, and I'm gonna be using a journey in bass and more, which is sub bass 6. To the 2. yeah, so just something simple, let's send it to our mixer and send it over to our mixer. And I'm just this plugin I've been loving of late called the IDX, IDX plugin, and I'm just gonna add in. Yeah, so just drag everything. And like I said, if you're in the Patreon, you get access to this FLP. So you can see with the IDX, I don't even need to sidechain my kick and my bass, it's already sounding really nice. So guys, definitely go try out this IDX plugin. I'm gonna explain more and more of it in subsequent videos. So yeah, together, low vibe. So I think I want to add like hi-hats just to go with the just to go with the rim shot. So I'm just gonna drag in this hi-hat. So let's see. So let's just have this. Yeah, so I think this is nice, simple vibe, just to show you guys how you could just create some nice, beautiful guitar melody, and also just using Ace Studios to create some nice vocal samples. So guys, definitely go try out Ace Studio. You can go complex with it, create beautiful melody, but for this I just wanted it simple, just to create sample to go with the guitar. Alright, so let's just look at the guitar melody again, moving from our 6 to our 2 to our 3, and we have this beautiful, nice melody. Let me just solo that. Then layering with some vocals from Ace Studios. Then with our drums, just a very simple drum bounce with our bass. Alright guys, so this is just how you can easily create some nice guitar vibes and using Ace Studios to help you get some nice vocal samples. So I hope you actually got something from this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let me know your thoughts guys in the comments. So the links to register or to get Ace Studio is going to be in the description of this video. All you just have to do is click on it and register and enjoy creating amazing and beautiful vocal melodies and samples. To join the Patreon to get access to this FLP, the link is also going to be in the description of the video. So just click on it and you'll be welcome with some amazing goodies. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.